Hi, welcome back to the Cannabis Sommelier. I'm your host, Andrew Freedman. Thanks for joining me for an episode of Cannabis Reviews. In this episode, I'm going to break down how my 100-point system to grading cannabis works. First, there's 20 points given to the visual appearance. We're grading the trim, the quality of the bud, the coloration. Second, we give 40 points for smell. Smell is very important. My motto is the nose knows. If we find any off aromas, these are huge deductions of points, or if the bud is very simple or smells aged, these are also deductions of points. We're looking for deep complexity and very pungent aromas. 20 points goes towards taste and burn. Most of the time we will be vaporizing through a volcano vaporizer, so we will only be using those 20 points towards taste unless we're smoking a joint. And the final is 20 points for the finish of the taste of the cannabis and also my overall grading of it from poor, acceptable, good, very good, all the way to outstanding. And this is the culmination of those final 20 points. All those adding up to 100 points. So that's how I'm going to give my breakdown. I hope you'll join along. Make sure to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And until next week, cheers.